Hi you guys, welcome back, or if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing week 4, day 1 of the lockdown workout from Barbell Brigade. This is the final week of this workout from home or lockdown workout. We can do this, guys. So it's going to be a full body push anterior. The first move is going to be body weight jumping squat, and it's 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. An incline push-up on a chair. Tempo is 3-1-0, 3 sets of 10 reps. And then last move is going to be burpees, 3 sets of 20 reps. Disclaimer, I am not a personal trainer. I am not a professional in fitness. I did not study fitness. I was not certified in anything. I am not associated, affiliated, or sponsored by Barbell Brigade. I am doing this solely for entertainment purposes only. Also, I have a torn ACL on my right knee. So if you are injured, please consult with your physician before you start any workout or exercise. So for today's workout, because I am injured, I am going to be modifying the jumping squats and the burpees. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this workout. Okay, you guys, that is the end of day 1, week 4. I'm so out of breath. I needed to take a second to catch my breath a little bit before I could do this outro. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on day number 2. Last week, baby!